we're gonna show you guys how we save a ton of time and a ton of money when we save our paint rollers. As a bonus, if you stay tuned till the end, I'll show you how this one simple hack can tackle 2 problems at once. For that, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so it's the end of the day and you're through painting your walls and you wanna save this thing, whether it be for tomorrow or later today, or even 6 to 8 months from now. So what we normally do is we get ourselves some plastic. If you don't have plastic, you can use a garbage bag, all the same. And we pull some out and we twist it like this so we can cut it all at once. And then all we do is get ourselves a nice amount of this stuff. And I like to roll it out a little further than I need. So what I'll do is you want to make sure you get your roller nice and loaded up. So you want as much paint on there as you can get without it dripping off, of course. And then you come over here and you stick it on the end of your plastic and you just roll this thing up like this. And you get a couple rolls on there and you just want to really push it in there like that. And come back, roll it a little more, and then we'll take our razor knife and we'll tear off any of that excess. Now what we do, we take this end off so that we don't have to, there we go, pull that out and we'll clean that later. Now, we make sure it's rolled up nice and tight. And we'll twist these ends and stick them down in that. Stick them down on the inside of your roller here. And now, grab your roller like this, take your latex gloves. Pull it off. Same with this one. Pull it off. Wrap it. It's airtight, folks. And what you can do after that, what we like to do, is put a little piece of tape across it. We'll take a marker and we'll write Sherwin-Williams, whatever your paint is. So you want to note all the important things about, your paint. The brand, the sheen. So in this case, we'll write Sherwin-Williams, low luster. And we'll write the paint color, bright white. Also, you can write the date on it. And that's why we use this method and why I think you guys should too. Because again, you don't have to wash it. You don't have to buy another roller. No expensive roller covers, things of that nature. And this is airtight, folks. So this paint's never going to dry. So that's how we handle our dirty rollers. Saves a whole ton of time, you guys. You don't have to wash that thing out. You don't have to buy a roller cover. If you ever use the paint again, it's there. Yeah, all the way around, I think it's a win. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, hit that like button, share the video. Till next time, guys. See ya.